I want to tell you, I am not bitter with anybody. I am only going to follow through and make sure the will of the people will not be subverted. We are going to go on, tutafanya petition, tutaendelea. We have enough evidence kwamba kura karibia 51,000 ziliibiwa. Ndio nishinde tu na 3,600. Lakini I know our God is a God of justice. Our God is just. So people may not have seen me out there doing pressers or telling people things, but what I want to tell my supporters, keep calm. Because I know this church supported me. I know this county supported me. I know people believe that there's democracy in Kenya. I also believe there's democracy in Kenya. And so, watu wetu, tuendelee kuomba, muniombe, pray for my DG. We also pray for our county, because in everything, God is the answer.
And all is not lost, because you know, the voice of the people is the voice of God. We believe what was announced here by the returning officer did not reflect the will of the people. And so we will be taking the next course of action in due course, because I believe the will of the people was not reflected in what was announced.